Okay, I want to introduce you to this absolutely stunning property that I've got for sale in Kameeldrift East. Just look at this beautiful door. It's more than 100 years old. The property is 1 hectare. It's got 4 beautiful spacious bedrooms. Upon entering, you'll find a guest bathroom on your right hand side. This is the front door, the beautiful big light, and then you've got stairs going up to the bedrooms. Okay. So upon entering this home, you'll find a nice big open plan area with a lounge on this side. You've got a nice fireplace there to keep you warm in the winter. This part of the house also has underfloor heating in. You've got an open plan dining area over there, and then this side you've got a stunning kitchen with granite tops and a gas stove. The kitchen has got its own separate scullery laundry area. And then through here, you've got a separate private study which opens into the garden. So you've got private entrance from the gardens as well. Okay. This is probably one of the most beautiful properties that I've ever seen. So this part of the house here, it also has underfloor heating. And you will see these shutter doors, they close up. You can close them up in the winter, so that if you've got the fireplace on over there, all the heat will stay inside in this area. Okay, but if it's summer, you're going to obviously keep it open. On this side, you've got a nice bar area. Big space for all of the guests to sit and have a drink. There's an additional dining room area / office area that you can use over here. It goes out into the garden. Okay. So this is a riverfront property. The river is right over there. There's 9 plots in the security estate. And it's got palisade fencing as well as electric fencing all around, making it nice and safe and secure. There's a small vegetable garden. Okay, so this is the entertainment area outside. Beautiful place that you can sit, drink a cocktail, drink a cup of coffee in the morning, overlooking the pool. Right there at the bottom of the property, there's actually an arena for horses and stables, which they've converted into a gym, but you can just convert it back into stables if you like. Okay, from here I'm going to go upstairs so that I can show you guys the bedrooms. Okay, so this is the upstairs area. This is the main bedroom. Absolutely beautiful. You've got an ensuite bathroom over here. And then you've got a separate toilet over there. You've got some walk-in cupboards over on that side. And then over here, you walk out to a beautiful balcony. I'm not sure if you guys can hear this, but I can actually hear the river from up here. The river's right over there. Okay. Full bathroom over here. Very big spacious bedroom over here. It also opens up to the balcony over there. It has a walk-in cupboard right around the house. So this you can use as a separate flatlet, or you can just use it as a spare bedroom or as 2 additional bedrooms. So you've got a bedroom over there. It's got its little own kitchenette over here with a nice big window, lots of light coming in. And then you've got a spacious bedroom over there as well, and it also opens up to a balcony. And then these 2 bedrooms has their own private bathroom. And that was it, guys. Please let me know if you want to view this absolutely amazing property in Kameeldrift East.